Hi dear students, today we'll study broadly the factor theorem. After remainder theorem, we'll study today factor theorem. It is our period 5 of polynomial. For any polynomial px whose degree is greater than or equal to 1 and a belongs to real number. Here R stands for real number and this is the symbol of belongs to. Yeah, A is any real number. Then x minus A will be a factor of Px. And secondly, Pa equals to 0 if x minus A is a factor of Px. This, if x minus A will be a factor of Px, then x minus A will completely divide Px. That means if x minus A divides Px, we will get a remainder 0. When Pa equals to 0, if x minus A is a factor of Px. For this, take an example, dividing x square minus 5x plus 6 by x minus 2. Here is the division of Px, and at this moment by simple division we got 0 as remainder. That means the divisor and quotient must be, product of these two must be equal to the dividend. Here we got the dividend equals to divisor into quotient, as remainder is 0. In this formula, we have put here 0, x minus A is our divisor, qx is our quotient, x minus 3 has been taken as qx, and this one has taken as px, as remainder is 0. Then we can write px barabar x minus A into qx plus 0. Hence we can say x minus A is a factor of px only and if remainder is 0. That is the value of Pa must be equals to 0. Now we'll take some questions in which we'll learn the concept very finely. Here we have taken a question: using factor theorem, determine whether gx, that is x minus 2, is a factor of px, that is this. हमें यहाँ पे ये डिटरमाइन करना है, बताना है कि क्या x माइनस 2 ये पॉलिनोमियल का फैक्टर है या नहीं. तो कोई पॉलिनोमियल ये 1 डिग्री का है, ये 3 डिग्री का है, दिस विल बी अ फैक्टर. अगर इसका होगा तो इफ एंड ओनली इफ we got a remainder equals to 0. So for that we'll test x minus 2 से जब इसको हम डिवाइड करेंगे तो हमारा रिमाइंडर क्या आ रहा है. तो qx, द डिवाइजर हियर इज x minus 2, px इतना दिया हुआ है. फिर हम p2 पे अगर हम दिस 2 पे x minus 2 को अगर इक्वेट करेंगे 0 से तो x का वैल्यू 2 आएगा. हेंस we'll calculate p2 equals to 2 cube minus 3 2 square plus 4 into 2 minus 4. After calculating this, we got the value of polynomial p2 at x equal to 2, that is p2 equals to 0. Hence here p2 becomes 0. That is our remainder. On dividing this one px by qx, we got a remainder equals to 0. That means x minus 2 will be a factor of the given polynomial. Clear? Now we took another question here. Show that x minus 1 is a factor of x to the power 10 minus 1. ये दिखाना है, ये प्रूफ करना है कि x minus 1 x to the power 10 minus 1 का फैक्टर है. For this, we have considered those two polynomials as qx equal to x minus 1 and px equal to x to the power 10 minus 1. And qx will be a factor of this px only and if the remainder at x equal to 1, that is p1 will be equal to 0. अगर इतना आ जाता है तो हमारा qx px का फैक्टर होगा. नाउ रिमाइंडर निकालते हैं. p1 ले लिए तो p1 1 to the power 10 minus 1, 1 per power 10 का वैल्यू 1 होगा. 1 having any power equals to 1, minus 1, it gives 0. Hence x minus 1 is a factor of x to the power 10 minus 1. This is proved. Here we have taken two examples. Find a if x minus a is a factor of px equals to x cube minus a square minus 1 into ax plus 2. Since x minus is a factor of px, that means the remainder must be equals to 0, that is pa equals to 0. And on putting a in lieu of x, will get x cube minus on this polynomial, will get this one as equals to 0. After solving this, we got the value of a equals to minus 2. Now take second example using factor theorem to verify that x plus a is a factor of px equals to x to the power n plus a to the power n for any odd positive integer n. N must be odd positive integer. If x plus a is a factor of px, then pa must be equals to 0. X plus a will be a factor only and if we will get pa equals to 0. So let us find out p minus a, and here the divisor is x plus a. That means take it into the factorial form or equate it with 0. You will get the value of x equals to minus a. That is, our remainder must be p minus a. On putting minus a in place of x, will get minus a to the power whole to the power n plus a to the power n. Since n is our odd integer, the value of n is odd, already given in the question. So minus a to the power n, here the power is odd, minus sign will retain here. A to the power minus n plus a to the power n equals to 0. Hence we can say x plus a is a factor of px, that is x to the power n plus a to the power n. Thank you.